Let's break down this CAD yen trade in less than 2 minutes. On the weekly, we had this huge move down, and ever since then, we've just been going up, down, up, down, up, down. A lot of traders might find this confusing. It is, but remember, all we're looking for is where price is going to react. A small reaction on the larger time frames is a huge reaction on the higher time frames. So right here, we have some weekly resistance, as well as down here, we have some weekly and daily sell side imbalance. That's all we need to know is we're rejecting and we want to look for shorts. Down on the daily, we did reject from that weekly resistance zone. We came down, we broke daily structures. We came up and retested this weekly and daily sell side imbalance. We were looking for shorts around here, but the lower time frames didn't give us the confirmations. So now on this daily move, we're just right here looking for continuation to the downside towards this weekly support. So on the 4H, we're looking for a sharp move to the downside where we leave in balance, a gap between candle wicks, which we have right here. I do also want to note we don't have any other areas where we left in balance, that gap between candles. So that gives us a higher probability that we will reject from this area. On the 15-minute, we're looking for price to come up to that area, get a sharp move down, leaving in balance, retest that area, and then continue down. This is key because this area here is a decision block. This is where the decision to go short is made. So if we can come retest that area and again make that decision to go short, it's probably a good area to be short. So we're going to enter on that bearish engulfing. Stops are going to go 5 pips above. I do want to note that price did come very close to our stops, but again, did reject off of that area where we made the decision. This is why we wait for that confirmation to know we're at a good rejection point. It doesn't always work, but that's part of our edge. 4 targets back on the 4H. I know we have space to the downside, but since we didn't get in the top of the move, we could have easily rejected off this 4H low. So that's where we got out of the trade. But as you could see, we could have easily targeted the weekly support area down here for 7-to-1 risk to reward or more.